Hello everyone, we are doing the graphics activity today. As an initial step, we need to create the Hadoop and Spark cluster in the AWS. While creating the cluster, we need to mention this property. So after creating the cluster and it has start running, we need to create a data bucket in our AWS to store our files. After that, we move to Scala IDE and create a Maven project. After that, we add these dependencies in our Scala IDE POM file like this. So after that it will build the project and we can start working on our code. So after that we will create a new Scala class as I have created here, and we paste the graphics basics.scala file which is given in the instructions over here. After creating this file, we run this file which will give us this scala basic.jar file. Copy this scala basic.jar file into your S3 bucket as I have pasted here. So after that I am using the MobaXterm to run our commands. After connecting, we run this command to download our scala basic.jar file which is in our bucket, and after that we run this command which will execute our code and give you this Spark graph basics folder which contain the output like this 7 files. So this is our first activity. We move on to our next activity now. In the second activity, we are creating one more project in our Scala IDE, and likewise we are pasting the dependencies in our pom.xml file, and we are creating a new Scala class as I have created here, and we need to paste the graphics shortest path.scala code which is given here into your project, and we run the project which will give us this scala graph.jar file. We copy this scala.jar file into your S3 bucket like here, and we have two more files which we need to add to our bucket like it is mentioned here, animalterms.txt and animaldistances.txt, which I have included in my S3 bucket. After that we again move to the MobaXterm and run the same commands as the previous activity, this command will download the .jar file into your local, and after that we execute this command which will execute our code and produce the Spark graph Dijkstra output as you can see over here, which is our output of the file.